All right, Professor Lomax here. Just real quick on this metal flashing. In the last video you saw, I didn't mention where I got this. I got this at a gutter store. So they had a whole bunch of various colors where they pick out of the catalog. I got the closest color I could get. That's not really the right color, but like I said before, when you put it in there, and you match it all up, it kind of, the seams just kind of go away. One more thing you need to do, you need to make sure there's a separation. You cannot butt siding tight together. It has to have a 3/8 of an inch gap. That's a little bit tighter than 3/8, but it'll do. Otherwise you'll avoid the warranty, and there's a helicopter flying by. Now, how you put this flashing in, just simply go like this, put it in there, slip it down. Very simple. Put the nail gun over here. Shoot that into the seam. Make sure you get this nail up to the top because you only have a 1-inch lip right there. So you want to make sure that you don't shoot too low. This, again, one more reminder, this nails have to be into the stud. If you don't put it in the stud, you'll be able to pull those bottom lips up. That's a quick tip of the day.